My brothers and sisters, isn't it correct for us to say that if we'd like to protect ourselves, the first thing we need to do is protect ourselves from our own evil? And that's a hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. In fact, it's even mentioned in part in the Qur'an, where Allah Almighty always speaks about the evil of the soul, our own souls. The Prophet ﷺ has made a dua. He didn't need to make it, but we should all be making dua. We ask Allah, oh Allah, protect me from the harm of my own soul. Do you know, it has an effect. You see, the Prophet ﷺ has said one dua, and it's an amazing dua. When they were discussing a matter, and the Prophet ﷺ says, Allahumma alhimna marashida umurina. Oh Allah, guide us to the best of our affairs. We're about to discuss something. Let us come up with a good discussion, a good conclusion, good solutions. Wa a'idhna min shururi anfusina wa sayyiati a'malina. Oh Allah, protect us from the harm of our own selves and from the bad consequences of our bad deeds. There goes. If I did a bad deed, it's going to have a consequence. Sometimes the consequence is my mind is clouded. And because my mind is clouded, I just cannot see the light. And I'm going to make a decision without realizing that this is the worst decision, because my mind is clouded due to the evil that I've been involved in for so long. That's what the hadith is telling us.